Blue pottery, widely known as the traditional craft of Jaipur, has Turkish-Persian origin, and it has reached India via the Mughal courts. The name blue pottery comes from the eye-catching cobalt blue dyes used to color the pottery. From 15th to 17th century, Ottoman Sultans in Istanbul greatly valued Chinese blue and white porcelain, hence combined traditional Ottoman patterns with Chinese elements, giving birth to Iznik pottery. In Istanbul, Iznik tiles of Ottoman era can be seen in mosques, tombs, libraries and palace buildings. The traditional art of Iznik originated from city of Iznik in present-day Turkey. The Iznik pottery in 15th century had blue and white colors, but later on sage green and pale purple were added in addition to cobalt blue and turquoise. In 16th century, the sage green was replaced with emerald green and pale purple was replaced by coral red color. Iznik blue pottery is an elaborate process. This DIY is only a humble attempt to recreate fox blue pottery using recycled plates and acrylic paints at home. You can mix basic acrylic colors to get colors of blue pottery. For example, you can get turquoise color by mixing white, blue and yellow. I have selected 3 Iznik patterns for this DIY. You may find more images of Iznik in the description box below. The floral style of Iznik often depicts garden flowers such as tulips, carnations, hyacinths, roses, spring blossoms, lilies, cypress trees, and clusters of grapes and wine leaves. Iznik pottery has been so widely admired and collected almost since the time of its conception. Examples can be found in the museums all over the world. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more creative videos.